Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Rev Points on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. And in case you haven't signed up to Revolut yet, you can find a link in the description for a referral code to give you a small bonus as a start. Now that you are on the home main page of Revolut, all you have to do is go to the bottom right section where it says Rev Points. Once you go there, you can see all the different options that you can do with your own Rev Points, and depending on the plan that you are on, it will show how much you have to spend to earn one single point. So for me, on the standard plan, it's around $15 per point. Once you do so, you're going to scroll down and collect enough amount. And as you can see multiple options for the products and either donations or for your own safety. So from here, let's go to miles. And as you can see, one of the examples, we can choose whatever airline we would like to have. And then from here, we can select how many miles. So 1 point equals 1 mile for those flights. And so you can transfer the points from there to your account. Or if you would like to just buy a simple gift card, then you can just click on here. And then from here, as you can see, you can scroll down and we can purchase, for example, an Xbox gift card or anything from that down below once you use the Rev Points. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.